Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imam Haromen Al-Azizi from School SMK 1 Kali Bogor from class 11 ATP. In this video, I will present analytical exposition text definition of analytical exposition text in English. An analytical exposition is a type of text that aims to persuade readers that a certain idea of or opinion is true by parenting argument and logical reasons. It commonly discusses current issues and uses a clear structure, thesis, argument, and reiteration. In Indonesia, analytical exposition adalah jenis teks yang bertujuan untuk meyakinkan pembaca bahwa suatu gagasan atau pendapat itu benar dengan menyajikan argumen dan alasan yang logis. Teks ini biasanya membahas isu-isu aktual dan menggunakan struktur yang jelas, mulai dari tesis, argumen, dan penegasan ulang. A function of generic structure. Thesis in English. The thesis states the writer's main idea or opinion about issue. In Indonesia, tesis menyatakan gagasan utama atau pendapat penulis tentang sesuatu itu. B. Argument. In English, the argument provides answers and supporting details to justify the thesis. Each argument explains why the writer's opinion is valid. In Indonesia, argumen berisi alasan dan penjelasan mendukung yang membuktikan bahwa kebenaran tesis dan argumen menjelaskan mengapa pendapat penulis itu benar. C. Reiteration. In English, the reiteration restates the writer's main point or opinion. It reinforces the thesis and concludes the text by reminding readers to importance of the issue. In Indonesia, penegasan ulang menyatakan kembali pendapat utama penulis. Bagian ini memperkuat tesis dan menutup teks dengan mengingatkan pembaca tentang pentingnya isu tersebut. Function of language features. A. Simple present tense in English, used to express general truth, facts, or consistent opinions that support the arguments. In Indonesian, penegasan ulang menyatakan kembali pendapat utama penulis. Bagian ini memperkuat tesis dan menutup teks dengan mengingatkan pembaca tentang pentingnya isu tersebut. B. Connectors. In English, used to organize ideas clearly and guide readers through the flow of arguments. In Indonesia, digunakan untuk mengatur ide secara jelas dan membantu pembaca mengikuti alur argumen. C. Technical terms. In English, used to show knowledge of the topic and makes the explanation more formal and convincing. In Indonesia, digunakan untuk menunjukkan pemahaman terhadap topik dan membuat penjelasan lebih formal serta meyakinkan. Example: Impact of online gambling on youth. Thesis: Online gambling has become increasingly common among young people due to easy access through mobile phones and social media. This situation creates serious concern because it affects not only their financial condition but also their mental and social well-being. Therefore, online gambling gives more harm than benefits to youth. Argument. First, online gambling causes financial problems. Many teenagers spend money repeatedly in the hope of winning, but they often lose more than they gain. Since most young people do not have a stable income, this behavior can lead to debt, borrowing money secretly, or even stealing from family members. Second, online gambling negatively affects mental health. The excitement of winning and the fear of losing create emotional pressure. Youth might develop anxiety, stress, or gambling addiction because they find it difficult to stop. This mental burden can disturb their sleep, concentration, and overall emotional balance. Third, online gambling disturbs academic and social life. Teenagers who spend too much time gambling spend to ignore their studies and responsibilities. Their grades may drop because they cannot focus. At, at the same, then they might avoid social interaction and prefer to stay online, which weakens their communication skill and relationship. Reiteration. In conclusion, online gambling has serious negative impact on youth, including financial loss, mental health issues, and declining academic and social life. Therefore, parents, schools, and communities must work together to protect young people from the dangers of online gambling. Generic structure identification. 1. Thesis. Introduce the topic online gambling and states the writer's opinion that is harmful to youth. 2. Argument. Argument 1. Financial problems. 2. Mental health issues. 3. Academic and social disruption. 3. Reiteration. States the main point that online gambling has serious negative impacts and emphasizes the need for prevention. Language features identification. 1. Simple present. Example 1. Online gambling has become common. Example 2. This behavior can lead to debt. 2. Connectors of or transition words. First, second, third, 3, 4, and inclusion. 3. Technical vocabulary. Financial problems, mental health, addiction, and social interaction. 4. Cause effects expression. This behavior can lead to debt. This pressure can disturb their sleep. 5. Emotional and persuasive words. Serious negative impacts, emotional pressures, and default to stop. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.